Hi. When I'm in public, I'm often approached by people who ask me, how did the Big Bang happen? And me, being a person who likes to oblige the random seeker of knowledge, does my best to tell them. This is the story I tell. This is us. Space-time, universe-wise. And we know that from this point, the universe expands outward. Then we also know by the law of inverse, and because yesterday was here, that the universe, as it goes the other way, retracts space-wise to an almost infinitesimal point. Now, this isn't contested by anyone who talks about the Big Bang. It's accepted knowledge that as we go backward, space gets smaller until you eventually pretty much run out of it. Very, very simple. And then, assuming we could show a model that shows matter, same size, I'm not art major, this isn't, pay no attention to the, close enough is what we're going with here. If we could show a model in the same vein that shows matter retracting as we go forward, we would then come to a point in the universe where there's almost no matter and almost infinite space. But on the other side, the inverse has to be true. So, in a model that shows, say, a time-regressive particle, maybe a neutrino, something along that vein, probably smaller though, if we could then show a particle in a model, which some models have predicted, that travels regressive to forward time, we would then have this tiny little bit of space and nearly infinite matter. So what happens is, as we go forward, we hit these time-regressive particles, and they're coming from somewhere, and if they're regressing in time, obviously matter is getting smaller as we go forward. It has to. Those particles have to be coming from somewhere, and if they're not traveling forward with us, matter is degenerating as we go forward. There's models that show that, and there's a lot of physical explanations to it. As a matter of fact, a time-regressive particle would be a really, really, really convenient explanation for something like, say, dark matter. It would also explain a lot of the gravitational coefficients in the universe if we're constantly losing mass. So, reasonable models showing time-regressive particles will then contribute to all of this stuff floating backwards until you end up at a point with almost all the matter in the universe crammed into the smallest space possible. What this model states is that the universe generated itself.